Yo, what's up guys, Razor Affiliate here and welcome to a new video on my channel. Today I record in Keydrop. I have $600 on my balance. Before I start with case battles, if you're looking for absolutely best bonus and best promo code on Keydrop, let's use my promo code. Just connect your Steam account with Keydrop, click deposit in top right corner, in a promo code box enter my promo code Razor Affiliate and just click apply for 10% bonus at every deposit and free 50 cents for new users. On left side you can find payment methods. You can pay by everything. You can pay by gift cards, Visa card, MasterCard, crypto. You can pay by skins and more. Also you can click on get free in top left corner and you can click on free gold. You can scroll down and you can find steps how to claim it. Easy steps guys. Let's claim golds. With golds you can open cases. Also you can join on events, tournaments and giveaways on Keydrop. You can check Galactic War event. You can do case battles, case opening with Galactic War event cases. Alright, let's start with this one. $33 starting with Crimson Emerald case. Let's see, can we win first case battle? $3.18. He got knife, he's so lucky guys. Okay, 2 more inspector cases left. Yeah, only bullshit. Come on. Alright, it's GG, lose, first lose. Okay, this one. 4 players, $21, only 4 cases. Come on. First pool, so bad, 3.18, let's try with dragon cases, 3 of them. Okay, bloodsport, 1.40, that's low. We need something huge here. Alright, one more lose. Okay, let's try with this, $160, new knives. 3 players. What the fuck, man? Why so bad? Okay, 3 fax cases, 5 razor cases and 1 serpent case. $109 case battle. We need win. We need win here. 1 huge pool. And that's GG. Please, man. Only 1 good pull. Last case need to pay, serpent case, but maybe razor can pay too. Maybe we can pull 1 knife. Please 1 knife razor. Alright, then for how much? 3.80. So bad. Razor, please razor. Alright, 1 more M for $4 this field tested. Okay, imagine 1 knife now. No, he got Empress AK, $27. He lead now. Alright, we got knife finally, $243. Thank you. Vulcan AK well worn, 155. Okay. $458. Okay, $38 case battle, 6 cases. Starting with Cortex USP, field tested. That's bad. Pull print string. Pull fucking print string. Three more cases. Adult case. Okay, Glock $3. Livia case now. Unlucky. Last one. Pull 1 knife. Can't pull knife. Okay, let's try with upgrade 5x. Maybe this M4 looks good. Nah, so close, but no. $51, 12 cases, case battle. We need profit here. It's time for profit, guys. Come on. Alright, this M for $17. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Just keep. 8.60, 8.69. Yeah, 69. I leave with $30. He got 17. Imagine one talon knife, only one talon. Look at this bait, look fade. Man, please. Don't bait me, just pull. 4 more cases. You got Mortis AVP. Okay, it's low price. Okay, $48 now. 2 more cases. Please win, please win. Okay, $17 USP, not bad guys. $98 at least. Okay, this case battle is $76. 3 players here. Starting with razor cases, and I pull $10. P2K, okay. I lead. That's right, Omega cases, 2 of them. Okay, this USP 39, that's nice. Nice pull. I lead with $55. Please be win. $5 more, come on. And 5 more, yeah. Alright. Inspector cases from Galactic War event. Inspector Gamma Doppler. Alright, 35 minimal wear. That's nice Glock pool, man. They got Hyper Beast. And I'm winner, $250 finally. Alright guys, not bad today on Keydrop. I made profit, so if you're looking for best bonus on Keydrop, let's use my promo code. Just click deposit in top right corner. In a promo code box, enter my promo code Razor Affiliate and click apply for 10% bonus at every deposit and free 50 cents for new users. Don't forget to follow me on my Kick. Don't forget to follow me on my Twitter, Razor Affiliate, for daily giveaways, daily live streams and more content. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.